Pegan Diet. The Pegan Diet is a hybrid, combining the paleo diet, which focuses on whole foods that might have been hunted or gathered, like fruits, veggies, meats, and nuts, and the vegan diet, in which you eat only plant-based foods. The Pegan principle is a nutrient-rich diet that consists of about 75% plant-based foods, with the remaining 25% of your nutrition from animal sources. It stresses eating whole, fresh foods that are sustainably produced, with limited effects on the environment. The diet also limits processed foods. Dairy products and gluten are off-limits. Will I lose weight on a Pegan diet? The Pegan diet is loaded with fiber-packed vegetables and satiating fats, helping you feel fuller longer, which can also help you lose weight. What foods are in the Pegan diet? What can you eat on the Pegan diet? 1. Fruits. 2. Vegetables, mostly those that have low starch or rank low on the glycemic index, such as broccoli, carrots, peas, and tomatoes. 3. Nuts like almonds, pistachios, and walnuts. 4. Seeds such as chia, flax, and pumpkin. 5. Grass-fed meats like beef, chicken, and pork. What do you eat for breakfast on a Pegan diet? So what exactly is a good Pegan breakfast? A Pegan breakfast includes some protein such as eggs, fish, or some leftover chicken from dinner, healthy fats such as avocados, seeds, or nut butter. Then, add some fiber from berries or other antioxidant-rich fruit, and finally a low-glycemic carbohydrate from vegetables. Can you have coffee on the Pegan diet? It excludes dairy, grains, legumes, sugar, oils, salt, alcohol and coffee. Can you eat peanut butter on Pegan diet? Reach for gluten-free, whole grains, such as quinoa, when you're on a Pegan plan. A nutritional powerhouse and great source of meatless protein, small beans like lentils are allowed in limited portions. Other beans or legumes like pinto and peanuts should be avoided. Can you eat popcorn on Pegan diet? You will want to limit your popcorn intake for the Pegan diet though. While Dr. Hyman specifies half a cup of grains for most getting started on the Pegan diet, I'm not sure if you can eat a whole half cup of kernels. I think 3 cups popped is a safe bet. What bread can I eat on the Pegan diet? The Pegan diet doesn't allow any gluten-containing grains. These include whole wheat bread, cereal, and pasta. In addition, Ward points out that you can have gluten-free grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal. However, you can only eat half a cup or less at meals. What should you leave out? Gluten and dairy are big no-nos on this diet. You'll also need to leave out or limit some of the processed foods that have additives for a longer shelf life. Foods to avoid on the Pegan diet include 1. Bread, pasta, baked goods, cereals, granola, and beer. 2. Cow's milk, yogurt, and cheese. 3. Foods treated with pesticides. 4. Anything with preservatives or artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. Can you eat butter on the Pegan diet? These foods are typically avoided on the Pegan diet. Dairy, cow's milk, yogurt, and cheese are strongly discouraged. However, foods made from sheep or goat milk are permitted in limited quantities. Sometimes grass-fed butter is allowed, too. Is bacon in Pegan diet? Garlic balsamic roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon. I mean, really, you could sprinkle a little bacon on just about any vegetable-based meal, and it would still count as Pegan, just choose organic or sustainably raised. Are carrots allowed on Pegan diet? What can you eat on the Pegan diet? The Pegan diet focuses on eating clean. This includes fruits. Vegetables, mostly those that have low starch or rank low on the glycemic index, such as broccoli, carrots, peas, and tomatoes. Can I eat oatmeal on the Pegan diet? But a Pegan diet severely limits or skips certain foods, including bread and most grains like barley, oats and wheat, except black rice or quinoa. Dairy products including milk, cheese, ice cream or yogurt. Are there health benefits to the Pegan diet? No in-depth studies have looked at the health effects and possible benefits of the Pegan diet. Experts say they need more data before they can decide whether it's good for you. But many agree that a plant-based diet that focuses on fruits and veggies that are high in fiber and low in starch can boost your overall health and lower your risk of certain diseases. Some studies show that plant-based diets can lower weight and reduce bad cholesterol in your body. You don't need to avoid gluten if you don't have an intolerance or a health condition like celiac disease. And leaving it out can make it hard to stick to a diet in the long run. It may even make your body lack nutrients, in some cases. And research finds that including whole grains and legumes in your daily diet might improve your overall health. Thinking about trying the Pegan diet? It's a good idea to talk to a professional before you change up your daily meals, especially if you're not used to eating a plant-heavy diet. Ask your doctor, a registered dietitian, or a nutritionist to help you come up with a plan to get the nutrition you need and find the options that work best for you.